Today we are visiting Questacon.
Off, and that is a huge cage right there. 4, 3, 2, 1. We're making a ball run.
So we're using, there's all different bits and pieces here that we're using onto a pegboard to make our ball run down. And we are using elastic bands to make little trampolines to make the ball change direction when we want it to.
So this is our ball track done.
All right, here we go.
Woo!
We are finished at Questacon. We've been there all morning. We've just had lunch and we're tired. We're going to head home now. So what was your favourite thing that you saw?
Okay.
Oh, the bus is going.
My favourite thing was definitely, I had 3 favourites. It was the scarf pipe thing.
Which we couldn't film because there were so many people and it was really dark. But it was a whole system of pressure inside them. You put a scarf in and it went up and whipped around the tubes, and there was little switches where you could change direction, then your scarf popped out at the top and you could catch it and put it back in again.
Yeah,
that was excellent.
It kind of floated like a parachute. We're like, ooh.
We'll have to go back maybe when there's less people and try and film that, because that was excellent.
Yeah.
What was your second favourite thing?
The thunder cage.
Oh, the lightning?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was excellent. I really enjoyed that. I'm glad we stayed around to watch that when it went off. And what was your third?
I don't think I have a third actually.
You said I've got 3.
I don't know, maybe 2.
What about the ball run that we built?
Oh yeah, that was my third favourite thing.
Would you recommend Questacon to people if they're in Canberra to come and visit?
Yeah.
Definitely, it's brilliant.
Come
fun.
on over.
It's brilliant fun. Whatever age you are, Questacon is brilliant
as
fun.
well.
Hey, I've just got home from being on the panel at the Happiness Hive, which was just a beautiful, beautiful experience. So the Happiness Hive is a group who get together once a month to just inspire each other to be the best possible versions of themselves they could be. And they invite people to come along and talk sometimes, and today was all about self-image and confidence and how we view ourselves. I was asked to be on the panel tonight along with my lovely friends Bree from the Canberra Times and my friend Lara, and Sheena was facilitating the panel, and we had a really great discussion about self-image and what it all means to us, and our journeys of how we've come to be who we are today. And it was really, really interesting. So there's 3 really different journeys that have led us to be the women where we are, but so many differences but so many similarities as well. So I was honoured to be asked to be part of that and had a really great evening. So thank you for having me, Happiness Hive. I hope to come along to some future events because I love what you're doing. I love the ethos behind it, and what a beautiful bunch of people. I just want to say I love how my makeup turned out tonight. So my eye makeup is all Colourpop, and my lipstick and my lashes are Model Rock. Right now it's late. I've just got all my documents together because tomorrow I am going for my citizenship interview and test. So I've just got home, I've made sure I've got everything together that I need because I don't want to be worrying about it. I'll be awake all night if I don't. I'll be worrying about finding everything in the morning before I go. So I think I've got everything I need. I'm going to do a couple of practice tests in the morning just to make sure I know what I'm doing. And then hopefully from here I'll get a date for my ceremony and I'll know when I'm going to become an Australian citizen. We're at Janice's getting our hair done today, so I'm getting my roots done, getting my colour done and just having a trim. And what are you getting done?
I'm having purple and turquoise streaks.
And you're going to have one side shaved and keep the rest, she's going to grow the rest long. So we'll show you our finished hair when we're all done. And we've got new hair. I'm blending into the wall, and look, you've got awesome turquoise with some purple and pink. Look my way. Look. Looks so cool. Do you love it?
Yeah.
That turquoise is amazing. That was Manic Panic Atomic Turquoise. And the purple was an Arctic Fox colour, but I'm not sure what it was called. But yeah, you've got lovely, fresh, fabulous hair.